Hi everyone, just doing a little video here to show you the difference that the drum beater can make on the sound of your drum. So I'm gonna play with two different beaters and so you can hear the difference. This is my friend Anice's original drum beater, which she had before she asked me to do a new one for her. So I'll play with that one first to see how it is. So this was beater number 1, and we've got the beater which I made. It's still work in progress, but we're at the testing stage. We can just hear the difference that the sound makes, and hopefully will be evident in the video as well. So that's the sound experiment. I hope you can